So I've learnt some new words for this video. Cue the intro. Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you a new technique, and I haven't done this one before and I wanted to give it a go. So it comes from a Japanese word called Kintsukuroi and also Kintsugi. Now you'll probably notice that I look down there. I actually can't say it very well without reading it, so I've actually had to spell it phonetically as well. So I'm going to put up a little screenshot here of what I found on the internet to translate it properly. I did my best. Apologies if any of you do speak Japanese and I've absolutely ruined that. But I wanted to show this technique because it basically means repair with gold. So the technique I'm going to do today isn't breaking something and then repairing it, because that's what a lot of other YouTubers do. So they go on a camera and break something and then repair it, and that is really not the idea. The idea is to repair something that has accidentally broken, and that is where this comes from. So instead of actually breaking something, I've decided to show the technique without breaking something and give you an idea of how I did it. So without further ado, here we go.
a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know man, passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So I did a couple of things here. I merged two pots together, which gave it that really, really cool and different look. I've put a base on it, and that is what holds the two glasses together. And I'll tell you this, it actually goes really well and holds still too. So let's talk about this technique, Kintsukuroi. Now I'll tell you something, that is real hard to say, and I've practiced loads. You'll see it in the bloopers. Honestly, it's ridiculous. So yeah, I've done a lot of the technique throughout this design. Now in general, the actual design is generally sort of like one line, two lines, and it kind of sometimes goes across the entire bowl or something like that. But obviously when something's broken, you can't really tell where it's going to break. Now, as I said at the start of the video, the idea isn't to break it and then repair it. Now, the idea of breaking it and then repairing it is not the Japanese technique. I've seen a lot of YouTubers who have actually done that, and that is not right. So the idea is that you repair something that is broken with gold repair. Now, so what I've done is actually mimic that. So I haven't broken this, I haven't, as you saw, I've just literally made these marks, and because it's blue, really, really bright blue from that mica powder that I used from the Arteza pack, it has turned out really, really pretty. So it kind of like stands out against the gold. Now, as you saw, I rolled it in the glitter as well. So I wanted to use gold as in gold clay, but I didn't have any. So I thought I'd go for this Sapphire clay, and it worked out really well. I just covered it in loads and loads of glitter. So this is actually really, really heavy because obviously it's glass on the inside, and it's gonna stay put. Now, I wanted to do another tools pot. I know I do them quite a lot, but I just absolutely love anything that creates storage, anything that makes my life easier, and this is one of the reasons that I did this today. So I kind of went overboard and I did all of the lines here, but I wanted to get in as many as possible, and perhaps this is not exactly how it would look, but you can't tell where things get broken, but it wasn't. So there we have it. This is how you create Kintsukuroi in polymer clay and make it into a handy tool spot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. I'm looking down because I can't work out what to say. But I'm going to put up some little, what do you call them, majiggers? Golden repair? Kintsukuroi, best I do. And listening to my terrible Japanese. Oh yeah, did I get out the glitter this time? So yeah, my feet are glittery, my floor's glittery. I have absolutely got it everywhere. No, I haven't cleared up. No, you can't see it. It's as simple as that. With a little bit of a different colour, and then I coloured them in a similar colour that it was originally. Okay, should we start again? And then made this wonderful Kintsukuroi little watchamajigger. Oh my god. Start again. I can't say this bloody word. Oh no. So let's go on to this technique. This technique that I still can't say.